Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel Bit of Beauty. Today we have an empties video combined with a empties project update, a quarterly update, and I haven't been doing very well, so let's get into this video and update to you guys. So we'll begin with our empties. I've gone through the Whispers soft and strong makeup pads, go through these all the time, great. Do prefer the Whispers over the Johnsons, so go through them. And then we have a NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe. I got this free with a Priceline haul a while ago and this didn't seem to last me very long. It was good. Great. I do prefer my ABH brow powder, so I wouldn't repurchase this one. Then we have two declutters and then we'll get into our empties project update. So this is a Rimmel London Invisible Coverage Visibly Perfected Skin foundation sample in the shade Ivory. I know this won't colour match me, so I'm going to give this one away. And this is also another declutter. This is an e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer. I did have this in my project pan last year and got down to here, and I just can't use it anymore. I've struggled to use it, obviously, to begin with. It goes cakey, it just sort of sits in the pores and separates. It's like the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation on my skin. It just breaks down and separates and looks cakey. It's not a very good look. I cannot get it to work under my foundation, over the top, as brightening. I've tried it surplus ways and cannot get it to work very well. So getting rid of that one. Okay, so now we're moving into our empties project update, our quarterly update. So this one I managed to get through. This was a Garnier Pure Active Intensive Charcoal Scrub. As I said in a previous video, I don't like this on my face. It does make it sort of tingle and irritate it a little bit. I don't like the feeling of it, and I find it too gritty and harsh for my skin on my face. So I was just using this on my body, so it was quite easy to go through. So I'm glad that one's done. This one was a Fanola No Yellow shampoo. This was 1 litre. I have been using this for so long. It does do a good job, but so with this one, I didn't find it to cleanse the roots of my hair very well with the oils. I felt like I had to wash my hair every day, and by the end of the day using this I felt like my hair was oily again at the roots, so I wouldn't repurchase this one, even though it did give a good colour to my hair, that nice ashy blonde. So with the remaining of my empty project pan, I have not been doing very well. I haven't been very focused on using these products up at all. So I've still got the Mind Tan Liquid Bronze, full of shimmer. So I'm struggling to get through this because it is so damn shimmery, but I'm going to get there. This one I have made a bit of this one I have made a bit of progress on. This is the David Off Echo perfume. It's a very large bottle and I'm slowly getting there. So we're down there now. And this one is it's a Kmart foundation, liquid foundation in the shade Tan. Again, I had this in my project rolling pan last year. And I have used it a few times just on my neck because it's not full coverage enough for my face. But you can't tell that I've even used a dab of it. This one I have been using, the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. Really enjoying this mascara. I do remember liking it many years ago. And I did pick up another one of these a while ago, but it was almost as if it was dry in the packaging as soon as I opened it. But this one's, yeah, moving along great. I'm really enjoying it. So here we have the Swiss Cranberry Antioxidant Facial Oil. I have used this a few times just on my face combined with another product, but I haven't been maintaining the usage on that one, so I'm going to get back into it. Again with this one, the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover. Because I do prefer mixing a couple of other foundations, I'm struggling to use this one, and I do find I have to mix this one in with another one. I'm wearing it in conjunction with the Revlon Colour Stay today, and yeah, just trying to get through it very slowly. Again with this one, the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I don't tend to carve out my brows with a concealer or anything, and I do have another one of these to get through. This is in the shade Natural, as is my other one, my backup. And like I said, I don't tend to use it on an everyday basis, so I've barely touched it. And again with this one, so this was my Frankenstein bronzer. I barely touched this. My Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer broke, crumbled, and I've just been focusing on that one, so I need to get back into this one as well. So there we have our pretty dismal Project pan update, quarterly update, as well as my empties. I have not been doing very well, so the next quarter I'm quite focused. I'll put these items aside and try and get a bit more progress made on all these items. So stay tuned. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial very soon, so if you want to see that, please subscribe to my channel and you'll be able to get notified for it, hopefully. Okay, so I hope everyone's enjoyed this short and sweet video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!